TBI journey where in 2015 I received my first braiding journey. And this is step by step how I put my life back together. So here I have all the ingredients that I will be using for this recipe, and they will be linked down below in the description. So here I'm going to go ahead and roast the chicken nuggets that I'll be using for the recipe, and in a moment here I will show you how long I leave the chicken nuggets in here.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature.
So my hope is by putting them in the oven, I'll crisp them up and it will help absorb the sauce better. So I left it in for 15 minutes to do its thing. So now I'm moving over to the stove to start adding the ingredients in. I'm just using some random Google search to make the sweet and sour sauce. I'm going to just start adding everything one by one and mixing it all together. Well, maybe I'm just crazy. I have no idea. But watching this ketchup on playback is so satisfying to me. It was like the best part of this editing. So now I'm whisking the ingredients together. Here's a close-up of what I'm doing. Just trying to incorporate everything in a little bit before I bring it up to temp. So I did do a last minute change to my recipe by adding some oil and garlic to a pan to help flavor up the frozen vegetables and give them something a little bit more. Now I'm going to move over and stir my sauce a little bit. Make sure you keep an eye on it because the ingredients can boil over and smoke the house really bad. You will see later on why this becomes incredibly important to watch this sauce. So now I'm going to make the cornstarch and water mixture called a slurry to help thicken the sauce and add it to the pot. I decided to add chunks of pineapple to my sauce just to kind of give it a little bit extra texture and flavor. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plate it all up and add the sauce to it. I did actually have the rice already made, but I only did that per the instructions. Nothing special with the rice, and here's the final product. It looks so good. So here's the ingredients for the cheesecake that you'll see in just a second. I did make a change by using blueberries and chia seeds with a little bit of sweetener. Thank you, DTD. So I'm sitting here and doing the editing on the video that you're watching, and I realized that I didn't do any talking because I was listening to copyrighted music, and so I wasn't able to speak because that's just the way it is. So as you can see, there were a few recipes that I tried out and a few ideas, and my absolute all-time favorite of all of them was I want to make sure I answer this properly. I want to say the cheesecake was my absolute favorite. It was the one that I tried the most, and I would incredibly recommend that check out the video or any of the videos that I posted up here, because the YouTuber that I got the inspiration from makes some amazing food, and I really highly recommend that if you're in a pinch or you're short on coin or whatever that looks like, that you go check out her channel. She's an amazing woman. And I have a video to edit, so I'm gonna go ahead